What's in a name? And what if you could reclaim your name, shine light on an old flame, let sparks fly and get back in the game again? Can you even begin to pretend that old name still has the same domain? Yeah, can you branch out with a new tribe and still stick with the pack? Can we sustain the same vibe knowing we can never go back? Can you retain that singular train track vision, whilst everything you thought made you is stripped away and glossed over with pristine precision? We wanted the old way, but we're craving the upgrade, an update that can accommodate our music is now made. The kids today, hey, they're forging their own wave, a new take on the way that every same old note's played. Cause they retain the essence, they're focused, they listen, and they know the only lesson that truly matters is that sound itself has no discipline. We're all just standing on the shoulders of giants, we're all just trying to please our clients. Yeah, we're all logos and brands, cap locks and ampersands, but quietly we're quite defiant, cause we know what we're doing with our heart, head and hands. We're all beholden to the factory line, but if the hand that holds the hammer's mine, then the hammer hits different. A hammer to the head from the heart is just fine. You've heard it all before, yeah, but somehow this sounds better. Are you smitten? It's like a pillow being pummeled by a piston, like a panther with its pants down, purring like a kitten. White keys, black keys, red bricks. Same dog, old skin, new tricks. The sound of the click when the pedal lifts, needles drift into the red like the gift of hot licks. It sounds just the way it always did, just the way that it's supposed to. But we don't let the notion of progress become the ghost that we play host to. Cause we're classic, still at it like the golden years, and still we aren't beholden solely to the old ideas. And speaking of soul, if you're gonna sell yours, you may as well sell soul. So without offending any competing parties, as far as electric pianos go, all roads lead to Rhodes, and Rhodes is where the heart is. Now you know.